Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a squatting body pose or a squatting posture. So it's a particular, we have done a squatting pose in the past, but this one is a different kind of squatting position. So also important, if you have your pencils all set, we'll determine our work area and we begin to lay out the framework. So 1, 2, so the body in this pose, and actually in most squatting poses, unless it's being done for any particular kind of exercise routine, are crunched in terms of the torso. So if the shoulder set is here, we put it higher too. Let's put this shoulder set here actually. So it'll work better for us. So shoulder set, and that is it, like crunched torso coming right here, lower body. And what we'll do is we can do 1 or 2 different things after this. So let's actually put down the upper arms. And from this point onward, we're going to utilize different pens to explore this posture. So let's say that I'm having a leg going this way, knee, lower leg. Let's draw a calf, shin, and right about here, like that, I put in a foot. So that's one leg taken care of. The other leg, now we are going to do a few different things with this. So one is a foreshortening, in which I'm going like that. So just that much for the thigh, knee, and the rest is, there's the shin and calf area, and right around here is slightly larger compared to this, slightly larger foot. So if I were to draw this all out, it would show somewhere along those lines. So it's a squat, it works for us. I'm going to put down the torso right up there. So I'm going to put in the arms for this particular posture, right about here. So arm, let's say resting there, and some foreshortening will put the other arm right around there somewhere. And then of course the body, depending on what person we are trying to draw out here, it's going to vary with the placement, with the angle. Everything is going to change. Now in this case we can, and we have explored this in a different video as well, also a squatting video. So repetition is key to success, and what we'll try is, again, so if we were to do a different placement, so a little more dynamic, this is like more basic, it's like the rap star, hip-hop star kind of like squatting. If I were to give this guy like some joggers, actually I also googled an image online and I saw that it really works, but it can work for any model, any person really. So if we were to move this inward, I would place the knee right here come right down, but in that case the shin would not be like this, not like this. I would place it like that and then come in like that, put the foot in like that. So that's also another position. And now you could show a bit of the thigh here. Of course it will in most cases be visible, and then of course you'll have to show a bit of the elbow structure here, provided this arm does not move. Now you could move this arm and place it, but this is very characteristic of this particular posture. People do place the arm in this particular way when they're about it. So, and as for the head, all different things. So mostly you'll have to draw a slightly hunched head and show it around that area. So there's the eyes, so at an angle I've done it according to the body, so it's tilted a little bit. Let's say this guy's like smiling, so head hunched in to the collar bone structure is more characteristic in this posture, but of course you could do different things with that as well. And you could have the head placed either higher, it would still work, or you could even have the head look like this way, or have it look this way. So different things. Or you could even have it like right here. If it's hunched, you could have it hunched even lower. It can't go lower than the collarbone, so right around here, and he could be like looking like right down. So all those different things in this particular pose, very dynamic, very much fun to work with. So please do try it out. Let us have your comments and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.